Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Amaryllis, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to do a at-home gel manicure. I hope that you stay tuned and that you subscribed, and let's get started. So if you have gel manicure already or gel polish, I'm going to show you how to remove that as well. And the items you're going to need for this whole gel manicure is nail polish remover. Make sure that it's 100% acetone. You're going to need foil, cut it up into 10 pieces that will fit around your fingers, cotton balls, and you're also going to need nail tools. You're going to need a cuticle cutter, buffer, nail file, and I suggest using this kit, nail primer, and a nail dehydrator. You're going to need base coat and top coat for the gel and your gel color of choice. This is going to be the one I'm using. Please leave me suggestions down below for other brands. And then this UV light that I got on Amazon. So let's get started with removing the gel polish. I'm going to buff the first layer, more so like the shiny part, the top coat, just to make it a little bit thinner and easier to come off. You don't necessarily have to do this if you don't really have gel polish or any like thick gel polish on your hands or your fingers. And then I'm just cutting up the cotton ball, soaking it in acetone, and then I'm going to place it on each nail, wrap it up with foil, and I'm going to do this on every single finger. You'll see I skipped some fingers because some of the gel polish already had peeled off. Um, and I suggest leaving on the soaked cotton ball on your fingers for at least 10 minutes minimum. I left mine on for 15, and you could always check, midway to see if the gel polish has lifted, and if you see that it's lifted, then that's when you know that it's ready to peel off. I did forget to show you, but I am going to show you a little bit later once the gel polish has been lifted, a tool that you can use to help push the gel polish off. You can get that at Target or find it on Amazon. And then once I'm all done, I'm going to then take the foil off my fingers, and then I have this tool that I'm going to show you where it just helps to push off the gel polish, this tool right here. You can get it at Target, that's where I got mine. So now I'm just going to remove all of the gel off of each of my nails, and it's really easy, it comes off really quickly. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to buff just to make sure that no gel polish is left behind and make sure that the top layer is nice and smooth. And then I'm going to file my nails to my nail shape that I like. I like to do a little bit of a square shape, and do the shape that you like. Now you want to use this nail prep dehydrator, and the reason why is because it takes away any excess oils, it helps to clean the area, it's just really helpful. And then you're going to follow up with the nail primer. And one thing I would say with the nail primer is you want to make sure that you don't touch any surfaces, because the nail primer is really thin, but it is sticky, and that's to help grab onto the nail polish. I use this kit for even when I'm doing regular nail polish, which I paint my toes with regular nail polish. And then you want to start with your base coat first. You're going to paint every single finger, and then I put my hands in the UV light for 30 seconds. If I have the color, I bump that up to 90 seconds. Now I'm going in with my color, and pro tip, do thin layers and try to paint within the lines, and don't get too close to your cuticle, I would say, because then you have less cleanup and it will probably just last longer. But thin layers really does help. I'm using this makeup tool that I had, and I'm dipping it into the acetone so I can do some cleanup around the edges, because I can get a little messy when I'm painting, and you want to make sure that you don't have gel polish being dried on the edges, because then it will make for the gel polish to peel quicker. So make sure that it is nice and clean. and here I'm going to leave it in for 90 seconds. I did 2 coats of nail polish, the color, and now I'm going in with my top coat just to seal everything in, and then I'm going to put the top coat in underneath the UV for 90 seconds. So we are almost at the end of our gel manicure. You have 2 more steps. You're going to take a cotton ball with alcohol. You're going to rub each of your fingers. It's going to give that nice manicure shine. And then you're going to follow up with a cuticle oil, or I'm using vitamin E oil to moisturize my cuticles and my hands. I hope that you guys found the video helpful and easy and you recreated. If you do, tag me on Instagram, XOXAmaryllis. Please subscribe, and when you do, and I hit 500 subscribers, I'm doing a giveaway. I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks. Bye.